The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is one of the biggest phones Samsung's ever made, not to mention one of the best, and there's no doubt that the company will follow it up later in 2018 with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. In fact, we're already hearing the first rumors about that phone, and they suggest it could be even more futuristic than the iPhone X. You'll find everything we've heard about the Note 9 below, along with our own analysis and a selection of the features and improvements we most want to see. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 was announced on August 23 and released in September, while the short-lived Samsung Galaxy Note 7 followed a similar schedule the previous year. So there's a good chance that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will be announced in late August 2018, before hitting stores possibly in mid to late September. The biggest Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rumor relates to its fingerprint scanner, which could be built into the screen. Both Samsung and Apple have been rumored to be working on this but failed to achieve it in time for their most recent handsets, pushing Samsung to move the scanner to a suboptimal position on the back of the Samsung Galaxy S8 and Note 8, while Apple ditched it altogether from the iPhone X. This has been rumored and it would be a great headline feature for the phone. Having the scanner on the back is awkward, but building it into the screen would both be convenient and the sort of high-tech, futuristic thing that could see the Galaxy Note 9 stand out among other handsets. There are plenty of great things about the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but its speakers aren't among them. Bixby is one of the key new features of this year's crop of Samsung flagships, but in its current form it leaves something to be desired, especially when it comes to understanding what you're saying. Samsung's been conservative with the size of the battery in the Galaxy Note 8. Understandably given what happened with the Note 7, but it's meant that while the Note 8 should last you a day, you'll probably be plugging it in at night. Although the iPhone X's Face ID is perhaps its headline feature, it's not the first phone to sport face scanning. Nor is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, but it does have it, it's just not very secure, to the point where a still image can fool it. Given that it's likely to be one of the most high-tech phones of 2018, we don't really expect Samsung to launch the Galaxy Note 9 at a lower price than the $929, £869, $1,499 Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The front of the Galaxy Note 8 is almost all screen, but there's still a sliver of bezel at the top and bottom.